Alright, so I'm at an apartment complex in Toledo, Ohio, and we got a bunch of units. First off, we got it's a Lux Air. You know, it's a Coleman. It's got a rotary compressor. Surprising. What kind of rotary is that? Not too sure what kind of rotary that is. That is a highly rotary compressor. 13 SEER. There's a tag, 2022, 2-ton. Got an Ameristar LG compressor. Here we have a Evcon. It's rather rare. Don't really see these too often. This one is actually a heat pump. There's a reversing valve. This one is from 08. 1.5 ton. I'm gonna get a shot of the tag with my phone. It's got a Bristol benchmark recip. Got an old XE1000 heat pump. From 1996. 1.5 ton. Good old Climatel. You have a really old GE Weathertron heat pump. That's rare. Definitely not used anymore, but what a find. Panels off. Tag is way at the bottom. We'll get a shot of that. Get the year. 1974. Got a Nordine right here. 2000. It's actually a thermal zone. It's kind of rare. Copeland recip. A lot of Nordines have. Got a few other units over here. Nothing really too special outside of this Lennox Elite series, which actually does have its comes to AW. Got the side logo. 1.5 ton from 1998. Got a Goodman. Why is it recip? Yeah, Copeland. Can't really see back there, so what you get is what you get. Got a few other units over here, not too much interesting, but I'm gonna record them. Here's a Goodman, which, there's a Bristol. That's interesting. Never knew they used Bristol this late. It's actually kind of cool. That's a 2-ton from 2005. Straight cool. I'll try and get a legible shot of the tap data with my phone because the GoPro, you never know with these damn GoPros. Here I have a Minty 1990s 38 CKC. You do not come across these often in this good of shape. It's cool as hell to see. It's got a Bristol, as usual. A lot of smaller CKCs. Bristol. It's from 1998. Got a Rheem Value, which I'm not going to bother with. Screw it, why not? These are all straight cools, which is weird because some of the units in this complex are actually heat pumps. The Goodman, which might have a rotary, but I'm probably going to be proven wrong. Yeah, that's a scroll, not a rotary. I really thought. Is that a scroll? Am I tripping, or is that a recip? That is a recip. That's a Bristol. It's a Bristol recip. What the hell? I never knew they made these with this chassis with Bristols. That's cool. There's the tag, which hopefully is legible on the GoPro footage. I get an actually legible one on my phone. Lastly, we have a Lennox Elite Series heat pump. The Coleman. This is a heat pump. Only heat pump with a bunch. Logo's in really good shape. Perfect timing. That's funny. Literally just kicked on in heat mode. Probably not gonna freeze up because it's in the 50s right now. So, not gonna wait on a defrost. 2012, 1.5 ton. Yep, heat mode.